Today we're just casually taking the VN down to an abandoned factory. Not doing anything illegal, definitely not. Just a casual drive down the road. LSD works pretty good on gravel. Alright, here we are. We've made it to the place. And we're inside. Oh, look at that. One wheel banana peel. Classic Commodore action. Now you know why we weld the diffs of every car we have. Second gear, maybe third gear. Oh yeah. Oh, into the dirt. What an absolute pig. Here we have some reverse action. Thinking maybe it'd go better in that gear. Yep, having a blast. Right, giving it another crack. Still just one wheel. Give it a go the other way. See if the inside tyre spins this time. It actually goes a bit better. Oh, so close to the pole on that one. Just give it a sec. You'll see. We get a lot closer than that in a minute. Right, here we go, nice and wide, finally got that jolly single pegger action going. Here we go, look out! Boom! There we go! Smacked it, wrecked the back end of it. Oh no, absolute disaster. Oh, there we go, big rollback, but the other way around, slapped it in reverse. Oh, that gearbox is not a happy chap. Nearly slapped that pole again from the other direction. Oh boy. That was quite a fun afternoon. Yeah, remember when I said I wouldn't do this again? I lied.
Yeah, we got it a little bit hot again. Hey, there you go. Good old Commodores, they fix themselves. You beauty. Now I can drive it home again. Had a little bit of an accident. I forgot I was driving a Commodore and they're fairly long. I'd calculated for the Corolla length. Yeah, might have to do some modifying with the angle grinder later. But, sweet as. It's hardly even bent.
Soon after this, somebody tried to steal the Commodore. They ruined the key barrel ignition and all the immobilizer wiring to go with that, even though the keys were right in the center console. What a bunch of idiots. And yeah, it's just too much wiring, so we decided to scrap it. So thankfully you guys won't have to put up with any more single pegger action. Just like that pole. Give that next video a smash!